What if you could supercharge your site with right energy at the right direction even before laying the first brick or the foundation stone? Our Vastu experts activate your site with the Raw Pyrite, strategically installed in the southeast direction, the zone of fire and financial flow in Vastu. Raw Pyrite, often called the money magnet stone, is believed to attract prosperity, boost vitality, sharpen focus, and create a protective energetic shield around the space. From a Vastu perspective, energizing the southeast balances the fire element, supporting wealth generation, business growth, and sustained momentum. From a civil engineering point of view, preparing the land before construction establishes intentional grounding, aligning the psychological and environmental energy of the site, creating a powerful foundation for long-term productivity and stability. Installed underground, along with 7 other energized natural stones, these 8 together form the Geo-Activator Vastu stones, believed to protect against negative vibrations, disturbing frequencies, and energetic imbalances. Because true infrastructure is not just structural, it is energetic. ASTROPUJA. Activate the earth, elevate the structure. For an end-to-end Vastu guidance from land purchase, groundbreaking to housewarming puja, visit astropuja.com or call us today.